Welcome to GB Creations. Today we are going to learn how to create stock and other inventory related things. To create inventory, first we have to know some basic things. First we have to create stock items, its groups, that is whether it is a consumable product or electronic goods or garment products, etc. Then its measuring units, then the godown in which we have to store it, and set some opening balances if any. Now go to the tally. Now in tally we create a company named say stock item, and just accept it by pressing Ctrl+A. Now in the gateway of tally, in masters menu, we have a menu called inventory info. Press enter to go to this menu. Under this we have stock groups, stock items, unit of measures, and etc. Now at first we have to create stock groups. Press enter to go to this menu and then press enter to create. We give a name here, suppose electronic goods, electronic items. Under primary, should quantities be added? It is yes. Now accept it. Now create another group named garment products. Garment products. Under primary, and it should be yes, and accept it. Create another group named computer products. Now here in the under option we can select primary, but as we already created a group of electronic items, that's why we select it under electronic products, as the computer products as electronic items. Now should quantities of items be added is yes, and then accept it. Now press escape button to quit this page and go to the inventory info page. Now in the step 2 we have to create some units of measure. Go to the units of measure and press enter. Now click on the create option. Here we have two type of units. Press backspace once. Now see them. Number 1 is compound and number 2 is simple. Simple units consists of more than one unit, say 50 kgs and 100 grams, or say 5 liter and 100 ml, etc. It means that simple units means simple units consist of one unit, say pieces, and compound units consist of more than one unit, say 50 kgs and 100 grams, or 5 liter and 100 ml. Now let's create them. First we create a simple unit like pieces. So we select here simple. We give here symbol, say PCS, and give here formal name pieces. Number of decimal places in case of pieces is 0, and accept it. In this way we have to create simple units. Now create some compound units. Say we are going to create 5 kgs and 50 grams. So here are 2 units, 1 kg and gram. So we have to create 2 simple units. First is kg, formal name is kilogram, number of decimal places 0 and accept it. Next symbol is for gram, so GRM, formal name is gram and decimal places is 0 and accept it. Now we are going to make a compound unit combining these 2 simple units, that is kg and gram. Now press backspace once and set it as compound. Now here under first unit we have to select the big unit, that is here kg. Then we have to put conversion, that is for how many grams it made 1 kilogram, that is 1000 gram makes 1 kilogram, so we have to put here 1000. Then under the second unit we have to select gram and just accept it. Now press escape and quit this page. Now in the inventory, come into the inventory info. Now if you want to create any go down, then from inventory info press enter in go down. If there is not showing in any go down option, then press F1, F11 and then select inventory features. Now here in storage and classification option, here is an option for maintain multiple go downs. We have to convert it to yes and accept this page by pressing Ctrl+A. Now press escape to go back, and now you can see here the go down option has come. Now go to go down option and press enter and then press create. Now here put some go down name, say Holdia, which is under primary, and convert to yes whichever you need. Suppose allow storage of materials is yes and use for both the party is no. Then I just accept it. If we want to create more go downs, then say Malda and just accept it. Now quit this page and go to the inventory info. Now at last we have to create stock items. Go to the stock items and press enter on create option. Now here put some stock name, say rice. Now if you want to put some alternative name, then you can put it in the alias. You can also put here alias name in your mother tongue. To do this, you have to press F12 for configuration, and here a option provide language aliases for name. Just convert to it yes and just accept it. Now go to the alias option and press down arrow and select here the language you want. I select here Bengali. Now I put here its name, say Dhan. So I supposed to do press D H and then press Shift plus A and then lastly N. and then press enter twice, that is 2 times, and then select end of list. Now in the part number you can put some part number of this item. You can also write some description and remarks here. Set or modify default ledgers is invoicing, here is no, and then under you can put it under consumable products, that is rice is under consumable products, but we have not that group for consumable products, so we have to create it. We press Alt plus C for secondary creation, name consumable products, under primary should quantities be added, yes, and accept it. Now under this option, under units option, we just select kg of 1000 gram. Alternate units not applicable. Set components no. Set standard rates no. Now what is set standard rates? This we'll learn next video. By this configuration we can set a price by which we can just made it as like shopping malls. Now press enter and then come to the quantity column. Now in quantity you have to put some opening balances if any. I put here say 50.536. Press enter and a stock item allocation boxes will open. Now select go down. I suppose select Malda and put it here the rate if you want. Suppose per kg is 25 per kg and the amount is 1263.40. Now accept it. Now press escape and quit this. Now come to the gateway of Tally. We are in the gateway of Tally, and under report menu here is a report called stock summary. Press enter and here you can see the product group that you have created, that is consumable products. Press enter and you can see your stock item here, that is rice, and see the quantity here, that is already converted to the 50 kg and 536 grams. In this way you have to create stock items and you can see your stock items in the stock summary report.